Good morning, kiddos. We're starting a new unit today. It's Unit 9, and it is about goods and services. So we're going to start with the introduction video.
We use goods and services. People buy goods and services to get what they need and want. The food you eat is a good. Your teacher provides you a service. Each person can make and do some things, but no one can make and do everything. Why do people trade with each other?
All right, so that's going to be our essential question for the next 3 weeks is why do people trade with each other? And that can be anything from where you might trade a pencil with one of your classmates because you like their pencil better. You guys agree to trade. Or it can be something much bigger where the United States might trade something to Europe because they have services or goods that they can offer each other. So that is what we're going to be focusing on this week. Today you're going to start with your new book, Unit 9, which should be in your that brown bag that I had given you at the very, very beginning. And before I go on to the next lesson, I wanted to do some sight word songs.
A-B-O-U-T. About. Spin about A-B-O-U-T. Spin about A-B-O-U-T. Spin about. Spin about. Spin about A-B-O-U-T. And stop. Stomp about A-B-O-U-T. Stomp about A-B-O-U-T. Stomp about. Stomp about. Stomp about A-B-O-U-T. And stop. About.
Okay, and I'm going to do one more song.
D-O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. Beg like a doggy does. Beg like a doggy does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. Dance like a doggy does. Dance like a doggy does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. Jump like a doggy does. Jump like a doggy does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does. Does.
All right, that is all for today. You have your Unit 9 workbook to do today and on Showbie.